Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. This is Murmu Nahar Ivy, lecturer Department of ICT from Milestone College. Today's lessons: digital content and e-book. Now we can see learning outcomes. First, be able to tell what digital content is. Second, be able to classify digital content. Third, explain the benefits of using ebook. And fourth, to classify ebooks. What is digital content? Digital content. If any content is preserved, expressed or exchanged as digital data, that is digital content. However, it can be preserved either in digital or in analog system. Digital contents can be exchanged either as files of the computer or of the digital system. Written information, images, sounds or videos, everything could be digital contents. Digital contents is any content that exists in the form of digital data, also known as digital media. Digital content is stored on digital or analog storage in a specific format. Forms of digital content include information that is digitally broadcast, streamed, or contained in computer files. Types of digital content. Digital content: any information, image, sound, or everything expressed through digital media or digital content through it can be divided into four major categories. First, text or written content. Second, image. And third, sound or audio. And fourth, video and animation. Text or written content. The written content is still voluminous in digital media. It includes all kinds of written information such as essays, blog post, list of commodities, prices of commodities, e-paper, reports, etc. Image: all kinds of pictures, photographs, sketches, computer images such as cartoons, infographics, animated pictures are the contents of this sort. Sound or audio: all the contents of sound or audio are included in this content. Any kind of audio file along with the broadcast on the internet. And webinar are audio content. Video and animation: any kind of video and animation is it content. The volume of video content is increasing day by day, as nowadays mobile phone also have the ability to record video. Similarly, the volume of video content in the internet is gradually increasing for the video sharing like YouTube. Besides, direct airplay of some events is very frequent on the internet. It is called video streaming, which is also regarded as a video content. What is ebook? Definition: the term of ebook stands for electronic book. It is exactly the same as a regular book. However, ebooks can be read on your PC and are usually delivered via email. An electronic book or ebook is the presentation of electronic files in digital displays. The World Wide Web contains a huge quantity and variety of electronic text forms. Ebook or electronic book is the electronic format of the printed book, as it is published through electronic medium, sound, animation, etc. can easily be added to it. This book can only be read either by using computer or ebook reader. Kindle of Amazon, Amazon.com is the most popular of the all ebook readers. Benefits of using ebook. Advantages. For readers, ebook have those benefits. They are cheaper, they are quick to download, they take very little computer space to store, they are easy to navigate when looking for particular information. They can be printed necessary. If one likes the ebook, can buy the more expensive printed version. Information may be accessed instantly by downloading ebooks. Ebooks are easily transferable. It is easy to find out information ebooks. As ebooks can be purchased through internet, they do not incur any shipping or packaging cost. Ebooks are easily distributed and sold. Ebook can be printed out according to individual demand. Nowadays, different kinds of ebooks are found. Different publication requires different ebook format. First, downloadable ebooks. Contents are available on the internet for the downloading to the user's PC. No special reading device is required. Second, directed ebook readers. Contents are downloaded to a dedicated hardware device with a high quality screen and special capabilities of book reading. Print on demand books. Contents are stored in a system connected to a high speed, high quality printer, and bound copies are product on demand. And web accessible ebook. Published on the provider's website and may be accessed for a free or purchase the books to service in different access. Exact copy of a printed version. This book are like the printed version of a book. It is published in the PDF, that means portable document format. The complete text or parts are available on the internet. Ebooks. These books are usually published in the HTML. This is called the website of books. In these books, the readers have the facilities to comment, to know word meaning. Most of the books are published in EPUB format. These books are possible to read by using a special device, for example, iBooks, compatible Fields, and iBook Reader. But Field and iBook Reader have their own format. Smart ebook, audio, video, animation, etc. are included these books besides the written part. These books are called the smart books. Its content is entered with interactive multimedia features. For example, there are quizzes, spaces to answer the quizzes, and options to check the answers. 3D images are added to these ebooks. The ebook itself is published as an apps on the computer or on the mobile phone. Ebook, like the printed version, is published under the Copyright Act. Ebook is a new concept here which is already popular in the West. The present situation is growing and our future of ebooks is bright. The cost of readers will also come down. Ebooks never go out of stock and its supply chain is very efficient. Dear students, I hope you understand the class well today. Stay home, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you to all. Allah Hafiz.
Peace.